Let's understand image generation in Qolaba. On the left side, you'll find all the input and configuration options. First, you have the model selector, where you can choose from different image generation models like Gemini Nano Banana Pro, SeeDream, Stable Diffusion 3.5, Image Gen 4, Ideogram V3, DALL-E, and more. Next, you'll see presets. These are ready-made styles like Pokemon, photographic, pixel art, futuristic, sci-fi, and others. You can also create your own custom presets. Next, you'll find a private session toggle. If you enable this, your generated images remain private and can only be accessed by you through history. If it is turned off, your generated images are shared on the community wall and are visible to others. Below that is the prompt input, where you describe the image you want to generate. You can also use Magic Prompt to enhance or refine your input automatically. Then you have keywords. These help you control specific aspects like shot size, close-up shot, medium shot, lenses like infrared lens, fisheye lens, lighting like studio lighting. You can also add negative keywords to define what you don't want in the image. On the right side, you'll find generation controls. Here you can choose the number of images to generate and the image dimensions, such as tall, portrait, square, landscape, etc. This was a brief overview of the whole interface. In the next videos, we'll explore each section in more detail.